morning everyone, welcome here in this YouTube channel. We are dealing with active and passive voice and we have completed two tense in that is simple present tense and simple past tense. Today we are going to start the tense number 3, that is simple future tense. Uses of tense in active and passive voice is same, but as I told you earlier that the construction pattern is little bit different. So simple future tense in active and passive voice. So in active voice we have this kind of sentence pattern: subject plus shall or will plus V1 plus object plus other words. Okay. In passive voice, this object will come here and it becomes subject. Shall will plus here we need be. This V1 is converted into V3 plus by plus object plus other words. Okay, this is the sentence pattern. Now suppose I shall meet you in the morning. So you will be met by me in the morning. That kind of thing is possible. See here, I will meet you in the morning. So you will come here and this becomes you will be met by me in the morning. Okay, now second one. They will book my seat. So my seat will come first. My seat will be booked by them. Number 3, Sheetal will choose me. So I will means me becomes I will be chosen by Sheetal. This is affirmative sentences. These are affirmative sentences of a simple future tense. Please you note down these, students. Next sentence is number 4. We will put our keys in that box. Okay. So these our keys come first. Our keys will be put by us in that box. Now number 5. They will decide my turn for the next election. Okay, see, for the next election is other word, so that will not change. My turn will come first. So my turn will be decided by them for the next election. Now number 6. All the students will join our next tournament. So our next tournament will be joined by all the students. By all the students. Okay, this is another examples of affirmative sentence in simple future tense. Please you note down. Next sentence is, we go for negative one. Negative sentences. So the sentence pattern of negative sentences is active voice, subject plus shall or will plus not plus V1 object plus other words. And in passive voice it's subject plus shall or will plus not plus B plus V3 by object other words. See, the sentences are: Arjun will not speak a single word. So this single word will come first. A single word will not be spoken by Arjun. Now second, Krishna will not help you in every situations. Okay, so this you will come first. You will not be helped by Krishna in every situation. Now number 3. That later, I will not post that later. I will not post that later tomorrow. So that later will come first. That later will not be posted by me tomorrow. Okay, this is negative sentence of simple future tense. Please you note down this. After that I will give you some more sentences. Number 4. All the teachers will check your notebooks. Okay, so this your notebooks comes here. Your notebooks will be checked by all the teachers. Next is number 5. My all friends will join this renowned my all friends will join this famous school next year. So this famous school will come here. Will be joined by my all friends next year. Now number 6. This boy will not clear his exam. So his exam will not be cleared by this boy. By this boy. Okay, these are negative sentences in passive voice, simple future tense. Please, you are requested to note down this. You have to make your G book along with this all the G topics. Whenever school will be open, I will check your G book. So please make a G book of both the semesters. Now next, interrogative sentences. I mean question mark sentences, okay? Active voice sentence pattern is will or shall plus subject plus V1 object, other words, question mark. Here will and shall remain same. After that subject, after that be V3 by object, other words, question mark. Okay. Now I will give you sentence. Will you keep my pen for today? Okay, so this my pen will come first. Will my pen be, keep means kept. Kept by you for today. Now second. Will they pay their fees till Monday? So their fees come first. I mean that becomes subject. So will their fees be paid by them till Monday? Now number 3. Will you give me your company? So here we have two objects, that is me and your company. So two answers are possible. First we will take me as an object. So will I be given your company by you? And if we take your company as an object, so answer will be, will your company be given to me by you? Okay, first you note down this. What to do with WH word question? See, will she arrange all the things properly? So all the things comes first. Will all the things be arranged properly by her? Number 5. Will you call your parents for this meeting? So will your parents come first, be called by you for this meeting? Number 6. Will all of you read my new novel? So will my new novel will come here. Will my new novel be read by all of you? Okay, these are the example of interrogative sentences in active and passive voice of simple future tense. You are requested to note down these things. Okay students, so this is for today's video. Now it's time to give you homework. You have to write 10 sentences. of this tense in active and passive voice. Okay, 10 sentences means mix interrogative, affirmative and negative. So this is your homework. We will meet again with new tense of the same topic. Till then, please take care. Bye.